This is the video guide that will help you to understand the danger of pop-ups by Germaste.club. Germaste.club. Now, it's a dangerous website that tries to enable the feature of uncontrolled web push notifications in your browser. I have to admit that the functionality of push notifications is decent in many cases. For instance, it is used by some commercial websites that try to promote certain goods or services, but it's totally different when the push notifications are displayed by Germaste.club. In this case, the website is malicious because it redirects you to all sorts of dangerous pages in the internet. Therefore, I strongly advise that you do not click on the allow button as this website suggests. If you do that, the browser gets hijacked and contaminated, and you start getting forwarded to many junk pages in the internet. So you need to immediately fix your browser and get rid of those pop-ups. Go to the menu, click on Settings. Now select Site Settings and Notifications. You need to check the allow area, and if you see some dangerous sites like this, Germaste.club in the bottom, click on this button and remove it. Also, remove other suspicious sites that may be in place. Finally, I would also recommend you to double check your Mac and its safety with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on this page, combocleaner.com. Once the software is downloaded and installed, wait until the antivirus database is updated and then click on Start Combo Scan button. This will initiate the direct and immediate research of your Mac computer. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.